And 9 staff members have already tested positive for COVID-19. 2 high schools in the district are seeing the most cases.
Action News Now reporter Danny Maston joins us live at Chico High School, one of those schools. Danny, which other high school are we seeing the bulk of those cases at?
Haley, Pleasant Valley High School and yes, Chico High right behind me here are seeing the most positive cases after just 1 week of classes.
I really like being back at school, being with my friends, being able to socialize finally.
To be back on campus, to see my friends and everything.
I've enjoyed it so much because, well, high school's been so cool for me already because I've made so many cool friends.
Many students happy to be back on campus for the fall semester, but wearing a mask is difficult for some.
With the mask, it's really hard to express stuff, and in my language class, it's really hard to use vocals and stuff like that.
I don't really like the mask personally, but it's better than being at home.
I spoke with the principal for Chico High, who tells me 2,000 students were on campus for the first day of classes last week, and all of them were wearing a mask.
Once they get to the classroom door and they're going to go inside, then they have to put on a mask. And it's been great. They put on the mask. If they need a mask, we give them a mask. And so I was really, really happy because I didn't know what was going to happen that first week.
Williams says though the school has not had any issues getting students to wear one of these when indoors, cases are still arising. 5 Chico High students tested positive so far, but no staff members. At PV, 11 students tested positive for COVID-19, but again, no staff. A total of 36 Chico Unified students and 9 staff members have positive tests.
Contacting students that are in the class and letting them know, hey, there was a kid in your class that had COVID. We let them know whether they were near them. We actually have the classrooms measured, and we look at the seating chart so we know whether the kid was exposed for more than 15 minutes.
Principal Williams says those who have tested positive or those who have been exposed are currently in quarantine. Live in Chico, Danny Maston, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
Thanks, Danny. We checked, and schools in Reading are also seeing positive cases. Sequoia Middle School and Sycamore Elementary School have each had 3 students and 2 staff members test positive. With COVID-19 cases spiking, one Reading clinic is also seeing a spike in something else. Action News Now reporter Anna Torrea explains the connection.
Shasta Community Health Center is seeing more people